The Hyundai Santa Fe already made one of the biggest, boldest moves in the SUV world. It went from a normal family crossover
to this big, boxy, almost mini Land Rover looking SUV overnight. And honestly, that redesign got people talking. Some people loved it. Some people thought Hyundai went a little too far. But this 2027 Hyundai Santa Fe facelift, this might be the version that finally fixes the look.
Now, this is just a concept we designed based on the camouflage test car that has been spotted.
But honestly, we might have made improvements to the car, because it still has that bold, boxy Santa Fe personality, but it looks cleaner, more premium, and way more distinguishable. Just look at this thing. Wide, upright, rugged, expensive looking, and somehow it feels less awkward than the current Santa Fe while still keeping the same adventure SUV vibe. The current Santa Fe already has presence, but this concept takes that idea and sharpens it. It looks like Hyundai kept the boxy shape people liked, but cleaned up the areas that made the original design feel a little strange. And the biggest difference is right up front. The face looks way more serious now. Instead of looking like Hyundai was trying to be quirky just for attention, this version feels more confident. The front end is flatter, wider, and cleaner. Almost like Hyundai wanted the Santa Fe to move closer to a premium SUV, instead of just being a stylish family crossover. The lighting is a huge part of that. Kona inspired, but way more premium looking. You still get that modern Hyundai identity, but the vertical daytime running lights make the front look taller and more rugged. It gives the Santa Fe this almost truck-like expression, like it's not trying to be cute anymore, it's trying to look expensive. And honestly, it works. The front bumper is also much cleaner. It doesn't have that overly busy look some modern SUVs have. Everything feels more squared off, more mature, and more intentional. This is the kind of front end that makes the Santa Fe look less like a weird experiment, and more like a serious competitor to SUVs like the Kia Telluride, Toyota Grand Highlander, Honda Pilot, Mazda CX-90, Subaru Ascent, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and even the Land Rover Defender crowd from a styling point of view. Not saying it's trying to be a Defender directly, but the vibe? Yeah, it's definitely there. And from the side, this facelift concept might not be that different than the current Santa Fe, but you can definitely see the change in the front end. The proportions feel strong. The body is still boxy, but now it looks more balanced. This looks like something built for road trips, camping weekends, school pickup, Costco runs, snowy drives, beach days, and those family vacations where everyone brings way too much stuff.
And that's exactly what the Santa Fe should be. A practical family SUV that doesn't look boring.
The current Santa Fe has the practicality, but this concept adds more style and more confidence. One of the biggest complaints about the current Santa Fe is that the design can look a little confusing from certain angles. The front looks futuristic, the side looks rugged, the rear is where things get controversial. But on this 2027 facelift concept, the rear looks much better. The back end is cleaner, more premium, and more SUV-like. The tall vertical taillights make it look wider and more planted, while the cleaner tailgate gives it a stronger luxury look. The current Santa Fe rear design is probably the part people argue about the most. Many people think the taillights sit too low and make the back look awkward. It finally looks like the front, side, and rear were all designed with the same idea in mind. And that is what makes this facelift feel important, because the Santa Fe doesn't need to become a completely different SUV.
Hyundai already has the right idea with this boxy adventure design. They just need to refine it, make it feel more premium, and make it more recognizable as a serious family SUV.
And this concept does exactly that. It takes the Santa Fe from interesting but controversial to, okay, now this actually looks expensive. The bronze paint helps too. It gives the SUV a more upscale outdoor look. Not too flashy, not too boring, but just different enough to stand out. That's what Hyundai has been doing so well lately. They're not just making safe designs anymore. And the Santa Fe? This concept makes it look like Hyundai is trying to turn it into one of the most recognizable midsize SUVs on the road. And honestly, that's smart, because this segment is packed. So the Santa Fe needs a reason to stand out. And with this facelift, it finally has one. This feels like Hyundai is finishing the job. Honestly, this might be the Santa Fe design people were waiting for from the beginning. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below.